I was beside myself.
Laurie Gorlick couldn't believe it when her credit card dispute was denied this summer.
Doesn't matter whether it was $50 or $1,000, it's the principle. I mean, I'm not going to pay for something that's not mine.
It all started in May when she noticed these 4 charges on her JetBlue credit card from Viator, a tour and ticket company owned by Needham-based TripAdvisor. She learned the charges were for tickets to visit the Empire State Building and added up to a sizable amount.
How much are we talking about?
$586.36.
You know the exact amount?
Yes, I do.
Laurie immediately called the number on her card and was connected to Barclays, the bank that issues JetBlue's card. She filed a formal dispute, was issued a new card and a credit for the charges.
So you thought that would probably be the end of it, right?
100%.
Was it?
It was not.
But a few weeks later, Barclays told her they determined the charges are valid based on documentation provided by the merchant. Gorlick asked what that documentation was and couldn't believe what they said.
And the reason for that was because Viator had my credit card number, my address, and my email address. Well, somebody stole it from me.
That was the extent of the proof that these charges were allegedly made by you.
Correct.
Does that strike you as a sufficient investigation?
Not at all.
The Fair Credit Billing Act, a federal law, requires credit card companies to investigate charges a cardholder says are incorrect and then send a written explanation laying out the reasons behind their decision. What's more, when charges are in dispute, the Truth in Lending Act puts the burden of proof on the credit card company to show the use was authorized. But Laurie's explanation letter only included this vague line from Barclays, quote, "We have completed our investigation and have determined the activity is valid based on documentation provided by the merchant. Consumers have a right to ask for that documentation, which should be the next step, but Laurie says she was only given the same vague explanation."
They parrot back the same thing to me. They had your credit card number, your address, and your email address.
Laurie obtained a police report and then should file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. But our review of government data shows since the Trump administration took office last year, it's getting tougher for consumers to get their money back in credit card disputes, as the administration has tried to strip the Bureau of its power. In 2023 and 2024, the final 2 years of the Biden administration, about a third of credit card customers who complained to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau got their money back. But that number dropped to 27% last year and is just 25.5% so far this year. And the numbers are far worse for disputes involving Barclays. Again, that's the bank behind Laurie's JetBlue card. CFPB data shows just 7% of customers who complained about disputes this year got their money returned.
It's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money. And it's a horrible feeling when somebody's telling you you did something that you absolutely did not.
All right, eventually, after we got involved, Laurie got her money back. It only happened when both she and I pressed both Barclays and Viator to provide the proof they relied on here. With consumers winning fewer disputes and a weakened Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, it's more important than ever to know your rights.